Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on these Glamnetic press-on nails. As you can see, I have already used up 2 sets of these nails and I have some opinions about them. So the first thing I want to talk about is the designs that Glamnetic has. If you look on their website, they have many designs, really cute designs of nails. They also have almond shape, they have coffin shape, they have short, medium, long. So for me personally, I love the designs, and I think that these medium almond shaped nails are like the perfect length for if you work in an office or just everyday wear. So the design, length, and their options that Glamnetic has, I would give them a 5 out of 5. I guess one thing I have about these nails is that the quality of the print on them is not as high as I was expecting. You can tell that the design just looks printed on the nail. It doesn't look as high quality as the Cloud9 one looks, in my opinion. Although I still really like the design that is on the nail, it's just the quality looks a little bit cheaper in my opinion. But for what they are and for their price, I still would give them a 5 out of 5. So next, moving on to application. So on their website, they say it takes about 2 minutes to apply, but I ran into an issue when applying especially the sprinkles nails. These nails, they're really cute design. This is like probably my favorite design, but the thing about them is that you have to have a different color for each finger. I'll put in a little clip of the application process now, but my issue was that each nail didn't fit the color properly. So like if I wanted a different color on each finger, the nails weren't fitting each finger to be a different color. I don't know how to explain that. But to go around this, all I did was take the file and file around the edges of the nails to make them fit whatever finger I'd like. And in the end, it did end up working out. For a simple set where all the designs are the same, like the other set that I used was Madame. For this set, it's just some classic French tip nails, so for whatever size I needed, I was able to find them to fit that particular finger. But even with the issues that I had, it was still fairly simple to apply, especially with the brush-on glue that came with this set. Made it extremely easy, easier than applying it with the tube glue, which also comes in each nail pack. And with that, I think application can get like a 3.5 out of 5. It was easy, but it wasn't seamless. So next we're going to move on to the durability of these nails. On the Glamnetic website, it says they can last up to 2 weeks, but in my experience, they lasted about 1.5 weeks for me. And also, as I was wearing these nails, I am a little bit rough with them, but even if they were to last 2 weeks on my hands, they did start chipping or like filing down. I'll insert some pictures here of the nails, but honestly, they didn't look too great anymore by the 1.5 week mark for me. I guess if you were more gentle with your nails, they would stay properly shaped. And another thing about durability is these nails advertise that they are reusable, but honestly with that chipped down nail, I don't really want to reuse it. So on the reusability part of these, yeah, I'm not going to give them any points for that, honestly. And even when they chip off, you're gonna have to scrape down the glue on the back of the nails. I just weren't able to reuse my nails. So for durability and wear, I think I would give it maybe a 3 out of 5. They didn't last the 2 weeks, but 1.5 weeks is more than enough for me. But they also did chip and file down and didn't look too great. Also not reusable. And the last thing I want to talk about is the removal of these nails and the damage that it caused my nails. And honestly, I am not knocking points off for the damage of these Glamnetics specifically. I think almost any press-on nails, any nail extensions will cause damage to your natural nail bed. So they do have instructions on how to remove these nails. They want you to soak it in warm water with a little bit of oil, a little bit of soap. I tried that one time and they were not coming off. They came off a little bit at where the parts were already lifting, but for each nail they were still stuck just at one part, and honestly I just had no patience. This is user error, I fully admit. I just popped them off once I got most of the glue off. And for another nail, I really could not, it would not budge. So I just soaked the nail in acetone and dissolved the whole nail. So again, not reusable. But yes, if you are patient enough and properly soak them off, you would have less nail damage than me. I do have quite a bit of damage on my nails. I'll show you what they look like now. Each of my nails have a little bit of a layer kind of removed from them. So they are having to take a break from press-on nails or any nail enhancements for now. But that's fine with me. It's honestly, I blame myself for popping them off the way I did. So overall, I would recommend these nails. How much points did I give them? I think it was out of 20. I think I gave them 14.5 out of 20. What is that? Like a C? So yeah, I think they're a solid set of press-on nails. The designs are beautiful. Application is fairly simple. Removal, that's my fault. And the, what else did I say? Reusability that they advertise, I don't see how that's possible, honestly. Someone prove me wrong. Let me know if your nails did not chip or if you were able to remove it better. But honestly, I just use these sets one and done. But overall, yes, I would totally recommend the Glamnetic nails if there's a design that you like, a design and shape. They honestly do have some of the cutest nails. I really love these sprinkle nails. It's just they didn't fit very well. Same with probably Wildcard. They're also another design that is different on each nail. So I'm probably going to have to file these down to fit my natural nail beds. But with Madame and Cloud9 or any other of their solid colors, they'll apply flawlessly. Highly recommend these nails. And I guess that is it for my review. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Another party, another Friday night, another talk that might turn into a fight.